Hi, and welcome to the Simple Ways to Transition to a Whole Food Diet course. I am thrilled that you are here, and I cannot wait to provide you with new tips, tools, and insight to help you to make improvements to your daily eating routine. The tips that I am going to share with you will help you to enhance your energy, your mood, your mental clarity, and your metabolism, as well as your overall health and well-being. So get excited. Before we dive in, let me introduce myself. I am Jessica Lee Reeder. I'm a master nutrition therapist and integrative health coach and a yoga instructor with over 15 years of professional experience. I've worked with thousands of individuals and groups to support their overall well-being via healthy eating and self-care strategies. And I'm here to really show you how to do that too. Throughout the course, you're going to learn so much. There's going to be a lot for you to digest. It's a joke, but that's just how I am. You'll get to know me. We're going to start with going into some fundamentals of nutrition, talking about the macronutrients and hydration. We'll get into sugars as well. And then we'll dive a little deeper into reading labels and healthy eating guidelines. Towards the end of the course, you'll have some fun with maybe organizing and cleaning out your kitchen and pantry to set yourself up to bring new healthy foods into your house, which is very exciting. So get excited if you're not already. There's also a really cool program. It's an app on your phone, or you can use it from your computer, and I'll be able to show you. It's very user-friendly, but this tool will help you to be able to identify hidden processed ingredients, and it also shows you how to determine healthier alternatives to these processed foods. Lastly, we will get into meal planning. I'm going to show you really simple kind of tips and techniques that you can use to create your own meal plan. I'm going to provide you with a sample menu plan, sample grocery list, lots of healthy recipes, links to resources. You'll get a fillable meal plan and a fillable grocery list, so you can be able to kind of take everything, all of this information, and incorporate it into your daily and weekly wellness routine. So whether you are new to healthy eating or you're just searching for more tips and resources, I will share guidance to support you. Throughout the course, I encourage you to set healthy eating goals that will leave you feeling motivated and confident to begin making improvements to your daily eating and wellness routine. Are you ready? Let's get started.